Here in our forecourt at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are happy to present this Range Rover Velar 2-litre D240 S, finished in metallic Corris grey exterior paint with 19-inch 5-spoke silver alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic LED headlamps, the 5-spoke alloy wheel there, power folding mirrors, the flush deployable door handles with keyless entry. As we come to the roof, we can see the sliding panoramic glass roof, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. Coming in now beneath the power gesture tailgate, we can see the very spacious boot floor with the 40-20-40 rear folding seats. Coming into the rear now, we can see the panoramic glass roof and the Light Oyster Leather interior trim. As we come into the front now, we can see the memory seating buttons. And as we pan over to the seats, we can see the seats are in fantastic condition. So we turn to the multifunction steering wheel. On the steering wheel we have the cruise control, the wiper stalk there, the digital dash display, and the hands-free mobile controls. Coming to the touch display, we have the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have the rear camera, the satellite navigation, and DAB radio. Coming down to the lower display, we have the dual zone climate control, the heated seats, and the rotary dial there. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.